If you want to capture out the entire steps that you applied in order to create a diagram and then replay it, then you can use the replay plugin as well. So to enable that, you need to go under extras and then go under plugins right here. And once you go around over there, you can click on add, and from the built-in plugins, you need to choose replay right here and press OK. So once this is selected, you can press close and it'll prompt you to restart out the application, which you should in order for the plugin to be activated. So over here, once we restart the application, under the extras, you can see record and replay. If I were to go around onto record right here, then I can go around and bring in different elements right here, just like this. So let me just go around, bring this in, bring this in, bring this in, bring this in right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and click and drag this, this is what you have. As you can see, just like this. You can click and drag this, you can click and drag this, you can go around and click and drag this, you can go around and click and drag this, and you can see that I have made a simple diagram right here. And you can see that it has certain format right here. And every time I go around and make some changes, the steps are being recorded. So if I were to go around onto extras and click on stop recording, then it stops the recording and it prompts me to add a timing right here for how delayed the first step should be from the next step. So to do that, I'm going to say 800, for example. I press apply, and this is what you have, as you can see right here. This is the link that is generated right here. So you should copy this. And once you copy out this link, what happens is that you can go around onto a web browser of your choice. Let's say, for example, like this right here, and you can go around over here and paste and access that right here. And whatever steps that you did, you can see it is saved onto this link right here, and all of the saves right here and whatever steps applied is being replayed out in the browser. And that is how you can go around and use the replay plugin in order to record out all the steps, and so that you can see it over here recorded at the end. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.